Okay. You're not going to?
They're basically identical.
Yeah, well this one has different fixtures.
They do?
Yeah, look at there's a different. Oh, it's up to you. I think these are gonna also. I think they're all gonna stop at every floor and every terminal.
Okay.
Yeah, you see, these are not innovation. Well, let's see the inside. Oh, it's this one.
Parking going down.
We are getting our cab view now.
Snapchat.
Yep, this cab was redone.
Oh yeah, it's basically the same.
Yeah, you don't have to. We're just gonna go to LL and get off at 1.
Okay.
Or yeah, we'll get off at 1. Or I'll switch sides. And we'll get them.
Level LL subway to terminals and Marriott Hotel. Going up.
Okay.
Level 1 baggage claim and ground transportation. Going up.